Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Lowe's credit card. Firstly, to sign in, make sure you have an account. If you do, then you may go to any web browser of your choice. Here, I'm using Safari for now. Then on the search box, search for lowes.syf.com and press enter. The Lowe's Advantage credit card is a store credit card that offers various benefits to customers who frequently shop at Lowe's. Once it is completely loaded, you will be on the home page. Go to Sign In on the top beside Notifications. You will be given two choices, that is, Sign In or Create Account. If you don't have an account yet, click on Create Account. However, to log in, click on Sign In. A new page will open where you have to fill in your login credentials. Type in your email address in the first text box, then your password in the second. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the text box. Once you make sure all the details are entered correctly, click on Sign In. This is how you can easily log into Lowe's credit card. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.